Hari Om, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to class 4 of Vishnu Sahasranamam. As usual, let's start with some prayers. First, let me make this slide mode. Everybody can see my screen and can hear me okay? Everybody can hear me okay and see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So as usual, let's get started with the prayers. Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwarah Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Please repeat this one after me, this sloka after me. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Excellent work. Let's get started with the session. Let me make sure I have the recording on. Yeah, we do have it on. So as usual, first let us recite the slokas that we learned yesterday. We did 13 slokas yesterday. We're going to go slow, just like we did at the end of the session yesterday. So please sing along with me. Udbhavah Kshobhano Deva iti paramo mantraha Shankhabhrunandaki Chakriti Kilakam Shangadhanva Gadadhara Ityastram Radhangapani Rakshobhya iti Netram Trisama Samagasameti Kavacham Anandam Parabrahmeti Yonihi Rutas Sudarshanah Kala iti Digbandhaha Shri Vishwarupa iti Dhyanam Shri Mahavishnu Prityarthe Sahasranama Jate Viniyogah Dhyanam Kshirodanvat Pradeshe Suchimani Vilasat Saikate Mauktikanam Mala Klupta Sanasthas Patika Mani Nibhair Mauktikir Manditangah Subhrairabhrairadabrairuparī virachitairmuktapiyyushavarshaihi Anandinah puniyadarinalina shankhapanirmukundah Bhuh padau yasya nabhirviyadasuranilaschandra Suryau cha netre कर्णावासाः शिरोद्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगगो भोगिगन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् मेघश्यामं पीतकौशेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्कं कौस्तुभोद्भासिताङ्गम् पुण्योपेतं पुण्डरीकायताक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथम् नमः समस्तभूतानाम् आदिभूताय भूभृते अनेकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणम् सहारवक्षस्थलशोभिकौस्तुभं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजम् छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि आसीनमम्बुदश्याममायताक्षमलङ्कृतम्. We will do the Kshama Stotra at the end of the class. So let's get started with today's session. Today we are going to do 12 slokas, and in the same. Hari Om, somebody had a question?
So today there is no in person?
Today we couldn't do in person because there was some event going on at the Peetham. We apologize.
Oh.
We also learnt about it at the last minute and I had to rush back home. Sorry, but I'm glad you're able to join online. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, got it. Thank you.
We will try to get this information beforehand and we'll try to let the class know before so that you can also plan accordingly.
No worries. Yeah, got it. Okay, thank you.
So let's get started with today's session. It will be the same pattern. It will be 1 to 2 words in the beginning. Please repeat after me. Chandrananam Chaturbahum Srivatsankita Vakshasam Rukmini Satyabhamabhyam Sahitam Krishnamashraye Chandrananam Chaturbahum Srivatsankita Vakshasam Rukmini Satyabhamabhyam Sahitam Krishnamashraye. Now the full sentences. Chandrananam Chaturbahum Srivatsankita Vakshasam रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये. Excellent. Now let's recite the sloka together. Chandrananan chaturbahum श्रीवत्साङ्कितवक्षसं रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये. The next sloka. So here we start the 1,000 names of the Lord. So we went through the Purva Pitika, what has the conversation of Yudhishthira, the questions of Yudhishthira, the answers of Bhishma and Dhyana slokas. All those are the Purva Pitika. We finished all of those. The 1,000 names of Vishnu Sahasranamam, they are starting now from this sloka. And we are going to start with Harihi Om. So same pattern, 1 to 2 words. Please repeat after me. Harihi Om. Vishvam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Bhutakrit Bhuta Bhrut Bhavo. One more time. Bhutakrit Bhuta Bhrut Bhavo Bhutatma Bhutabhavanah. Again. Harihi Om. Vishvam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Bhutakrit Bhuta Bhrut Bhavo Bhutatma Bhutabhavanah. Now the full sentences. Harihi Om. Vishvam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Bhutakrit Bhuta Bhrut Bhavo Bhutatma Bhutabhavanah. One more time the second sentence. Bhutakrit Bhuta Bhrut Bhavo Bhutatma Bhutabhavanah. Excellent. Now let's do the sloka together. Please sing along with me. Harihi Om. Vishvam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Bhutakrit Bhuta Bhrut Bhavo Bhutatma Bhutabhavanah. Hari Om. One more time. Harihi Om. Vishvam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Bhutakrit Bhuta Bhrut Bhavo Bhutatma Bhutabhavanah. Excellent. 1 to 2 words. Please repeat after me. भूतात्मा परमात्मा च मुक्तानां परमागतिः अव्ययः पुरुषः साक्षी. So it has the visarga following a pa, it has a visarga following a sa. So let's do that again. Avyayah purushah sakshi kshetrajñokshara eva cha. One more time. Bhutatma paramatma cha muktanam paramagatihi avyayah purushah sakshi क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षर एव च. Now the full sentences. भूतात्मा परमात्मा च मुक्तानां परमागतिः अव्ययः पुरुषः साक्षी क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षर एव च. Let's recite the sloka together. भूतात्मा परमात्मा च मुक्तानां परमागतिः अव्ययः पुरुषः साक्षी क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षर एव च. Excellent. Next sloka, same pattern. योगो योगविदां नेता प्रधानपुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः. One more time. योगो योगविदां नेता प्रधानपुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः. Now the full sentences. योगो योगविदां नेता प्रधानपुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः. Excellent. Now let's recite the sloka together. Yogo yogavidam neta pradhana purusheswarah narasimhavapuh श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः सर्वशिवस्थाणुः one more time सर्वशिवस्थाणुः भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः so we're going to combine this the visarga and the bhuta it will become sthanur bhutadirnidhiravyayah let's do it together let's try it once सर्वशर्वशिवस्थाणुर् भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः let's try it one more time सर्वशर्वशिवस्थाणुर्भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः सम्भवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः one more time first sentence I'll do the full sentence सर्वशर्वशिवस्थाणुर्भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः सम्भवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः now the full sentences please repeat after me सर्वशर्वशिवस्थाणुर्भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः सम्भवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः excellent now listen let's recite the sloka together सर्वशर्वशिवस्थाणुर्भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः सम्भवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः excellent next sloka स्वयंभूः शम्भुरादित्यः पुष्कराक्षो महास्वनः so if we combine the first two the visarga and the sha becomes swayambhu shambhuradityah and then we're going to combine that visarga with the pu from pushkaraksho. Then it will become the first sound. Swayambhu Shambhuradityah Pushkaraksho Mahasvanah. Anadinidhano Dhata Vidhata Dhaturuttamah. One more time. First sentence I'm going to say the full one. Try to repeat after me. We'll do it 2 times. Swayambhu Shambhuradityah Pushkaraksho Mahasvanah. One more time. Swayambhu Shambhuradityah Pushkaraksho Mahasvanah. Anadinidhano Dhata Vidhata Dhaturuttamah. Now the full sentences, please repeat after me. Swayambhu Shambhuradityah Pushkaraksho Mahasvanah. Anadinidhano Dhata Vidhata Dhaturuttamah. Excellent. Now let's recite the sloka together. Swayambhu Shambhuradityah Pushkaraksho Mahasvanah. Anadinidhano Dhata Vidhata Dhaturuttamah. Moving to the next one. Aprameyo Hrishikeshah Padmanabho Maraprabhuः. One more time. Aprameyo Hrishikeshah Padmanabho Maraprabhuः. So this is a classic example of the avagraha, why it should not be separated. So Padmanabho Padmanabhah Amara Prabhuः, that is the separation there. And with the Padmanabhah, that visarga and a together, it becomes the avagraha and it takes the form Padmanabho Mara Prabhuः, where the a is embedded in it. If we separate it, the meaning will become opposite. Amara Prabhuः is the leader of the immortals, the gods. So Mara is opposite of Amara, the immortal to mortal. So the meaning will become right opposite. So it's important at the avagraha not to separate it. So we're going to say Padmanabho Mara Prabhuः. No separation there. Vishwakarma Manustvashta Havishtha Haviro Dhruvah. So after sthavishtha, next is a sa. So we are going to combine it, and we are going to say, please repeat after me. Sthavishtha sthaviro dhruvah. All stress ottus here. Sthavishtha sthaviro dhruvah. Okay, one more time. And now I'm going to combine the Hrishikeshah Padmanabho Maraprabhu. I'm going to say one full sentence. And as you remember, the Hrishikeshah and Padmanabha, it will become first sound. So please repeat after me. Aprameyo Hrishikeshah Padmanabho Maraprabhu. विश्वकर्मा मनुस्त्वष्टा स्थविष्ठस्थविरो ध्रुवः. The second sentence, let's do again. Actually, let's divide and do it once. Vishwakarma manustvashta sthavishthaviro dhruvah. Now the full sentences, please repeat after me. Aprameyo hrishikeshah padmanabho maraprabhuः. Vishwakarma manustvashta स्थविष्ठस्थविरो ध्रुवः. Now let's recite the sloka together. Aprameyo hrishikeshah padmanabho maraprabhuः. Vishwakarma manustvashta स्थविष्ठस्थविरो ध्रुवः. Excellent. Agrahyah shashvatah कृष्णो in this the agrahya sha, so it will become a double sha, and shashvata, the visarga becomes a half visarga because it is followed by the letter ka. So once again, agrahya shashvata krishno लोहिताक्षः प्रतर्दनः प्रभूतस्त्रिककुब्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम्. One more time. Agrahya shashvatah krishno लोहिताक्षः प्रतर्दनः प्रभूतस्त्रिककुब्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम्. Now the full sentences, please repeat after me. Agrahya shashvatah krishno लोहिताक्षः प्रतर्दनः प्रभूतस्त्रिककुब्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम् Excellent. Now let's recite the sloka together. Agrahya shasvatah krishno lohitakshah pratardanah प्रभूतस्त्रिककुब्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम् ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः One more time. ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः One more time. ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः The full sentences now. ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः Let's recite the sloka together. ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः ईश्वरो विक्रमी धन्वी मेधावी विक्रमः क्रमः अनुत्तमो दुराधर्ष्यः कृतज्ञः कृतिरात्मवान् So there are three visargas here followed actually four visargas here followed by ka no three visargas here followed by ka as we talked about it earlier it becomes a half visarga so this time I'm going to do the half visargas so just follow along with me Ishvaro vikrami dhanvi मेधावी विक्रमः क्रमः अनुत्तमो दुराधर्षः I did the full visarga here. When I combine the sentence, I'm going to do half there. But now I'm going to do half in the next two words. Kritagnyah kritiratmavan. Let's do the second sentence again, the full sentence. Anuttamo duradharshyah kritagnyah kritiratmavan. Excellent. Now let's do the full sentences. Please repeat after me. ईश्वरो विक्रमी धन्वी मेधावी विक्रमः क्रमः अनुत्तमो दुराधर्ष्यः कृतज्ञः कृतिरात्मवान् Excellent. Now let's recite the sloka together. ईश्वरो विक्रमी धन्वी मेधावी विक्रमः क्रमः अनुत्तमो दुराधर्ष्यः कृतज्ञः कृतिरात्मवान् सुरेशः शरणं शर्म विश्वरेताः प्रजाभवः अहः संवत्सरो व्याळः प्रत्ययः सर्वदर्शनः When we combine the sentence, it will become Vyalah Pratyayah Sarvadarshanaha. Okay, let's do it one more time. Suresha Sharanam Sharma Vishwaretah Prajabhavah Ahas Samvatsaro Vyalah Pratyayah Sarvadarshanaha. Now the full sentences, please repeat after me. सुरेशः शरणं शर्म विश्वरेताः प्रजाभवः अहः संवत्सरो व्याळः प्रत्ययः सर्वदर्शनः Excellent. Now let's recite the sloka together. Suresha Sharanam Sharma Vishwaretah Prajabhavah Ahas Samvatsaro Vyalah Pratyayah Sarvadarshanaha Ajas Sarveshwarah Siddhah सिद्धिः sarvadirachyutah. So all the visargas are followed by sa here. I gave the full visarga for the separation, but when it combines, it takes the form of the following sa, and then it becomes double sa there. I'll just give you the example. If you can repeat after me, repeat after me. Ajas sarveshwara siddhas siddhis sarvadirachyutah. We'll practice more. We'll do the full sentence next round also. Vrishakapirameyaatma sarvayoga vinisrutah. One more time. First one, full sentence. Ajas sarveshwara siddhas siddhis sarvadirachyutah. Vrishakapirameyaatma sarvayogavinisrutah. Now the full sentences. Ajas sarveshwara siddhas siddhis sarvadirachyutah. Vrishakapirameyaatma sarvayogavinisrutah. Now let's recite the sloka together. Ajas sarveshwara siddhas siddhis sarvadirachyutah. Vrishakapirameyaatma sarvayogavinisrutah. So we are on day 4, so we got used to this sloka a little bit, so I'm not going to do the breakdown or the single sentences. Let's try to do the sloka together. Please recite along with me. Yadaksharapadabrashtam matrahinam tu yadbhavet tat sarvam kshamyatam deva Narayana namostute visarga bindu matrani padapadaksharaणि च न्यूनाति चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम. We will get to do this one more time when we do the all 12 slokas together, and then we will continue with this one more time. So let's go slow. We're going to go in the continuity for all 12 slokas that we practiced today. Chandrananam chaturbahum srivatsankitavakshasam Rukmini Satyabhamabhyam Sahitam Krishnamashraye. Harihi Om. Vishwam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Bhuta Krudbhuta Bhridbhavo Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavana Bhutatma Paramatma Cha भक्तानां परमागतिः अव्ययः पुरुषः साक्षी क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षर एव च योगो योगविदां नेता प्रधानपुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः सर्वः सर्वशिवस्थाणुर्भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः सम्भवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः स्वयंभू शम्भुरादित्यः पुष्कराक्षो महास्वनः अनादिनिधनो धाता विधाता धातुरुत्तमः अप्रमेयो हृषीकेशः पद्मनाभोऽमरप्रभुः विश्वकर्मा मनुस्त्वष्टा स्थविष्ठस्थविरो ध्रुवः अग्राह्यः शाश्वतः कृष्णो लोहिताक्षः प्रतर्दनः प्रभूतस्त्रिककुब्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम् ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः ईश्वरो विक्रमी धन्वी मेधावी विक्रमः क्रमः अनुत्तमो दुराधर्ष्यः कृतज्ञः कृतिरात्मवान् सुरेशः शरणं शर्म विश्वरेताः प्रजाभवः अहः संवत्सरो व्याळः प्रत्ययः सर्वदर्शनः अजः सर्वेश्वरः सिद्धः सिद्धिः सर्वादिरच्युतः वृषाकपिरमेयात्मा सर्वयोगविनिःसृतः यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनातिचातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम. Excellent. Now let's do the Mangala Shasanam. मङ्गलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. With this we will conclude today's session. If anyone has any questions, please unmute yourself and ask the questions.
Sir?
Yes, Pushpaji. Hari Om.
Yesterday I didn't attend to the class, sir. Can you tell Lakshiro Dharmastar that one? I'm not getting that one.
Did you go through the recording, Pushpaji?
No, I didn't go to that, sir. Okay, sir. I'll go to that. Thank you very much.
Please do. I did send the link. If you are not able to go through the link, tell me. I will send it to you again. We went through that in a very, very detailed fashion there. You will not miss it. We did the practice like about 10 times, those 3 slokas. So go through that. If you still have questions, I'll be happy to give you the practice.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Hari Om. You're welcome.
Hari Om. Thank you.
Anyone else? Questions? If not, let's conclude the session today. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Let's meet again tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Hari Om.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Hari Om.
Bye, sir. Thank you. Thank you,
Hari.
Hari Om, sir.
Hari Om.
Bye.
Hari Om.